Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and making the system safe to touch. Unplug the PSU and all cables, then hold the case power button for 5 to 10 seconds to drain residual charge. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove the side panel and position good light on the vertical bracket area. Make sure you have a Phillips #2 and a small container for screws, plus an ESD strap. You start now. Locating the vertical bracket and retention screws is the first actionable step. You next remove the mounting hardware while supporting the card to prevent PCB bending. With one hand holding the GPU, use the Phillips to loosen the rear bracket screws. Set them aside in your labeled container. If a PCIe riser cable or bracket secures the card, locate and depress its latch. Do this gently to avoid breaking the plastic. Make sure to keep the card level and, if necessary, use a non-conductive prop under the card to take load off the PCIe connector before you finish by removing power and extracting the card cleanly. First, press the power cable latch and unplug all 6/8-pin connectors. Pull straight, not at an angle, to protect pins. Once power is free, maintain upward support and withdraw the card slowly from the riser or slot, keeping it parallel to the motherboard so the shroud or rear bracket clears. After removal, reinstall the case bracket or filler, place the GPU in an anti-static bag, and reconnect PSU to test post. If post fails, reset connections and check riser latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.